Subscribe to my channel, like the video and don't forget to turn on notifications.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be seeing 5 domination tips and tricks. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. So guys, this is today's first trick. To do this trick, you have to climb on this broken car and climb up. Here you will see is roof. You have to climb on that, and you have to jump from here. And you are here. This is the spot. So guys, you can sit here and kill enemies, and they will not even know that you are here. But there is a problem in this trick. That is, after you kill the enemies once, they will know that you are here, and you can do this trick only for once.
Double seven. Yeah. Temple seven. Oh, double seven.
Guys, this is the second trick of today. In this trick, you have to climb on this box, and you have to climb up here, and you can just prone here, and enemies will not even be able to kill you. It is very hard to kill you, so this is a very good spot and safe spot. So here you can kill enemies very easily. If the enemy is far away, you can kill the enemy just by proning, and if the enemy is close to you, you have to crouch or stand up to kill the enemy. After killing the enemy, you can prone again, so it is hard to kill you. So guys, this is the third trick of today. In this trick, you have to climb up on the boxes that you see here. After you climb up on the boxes here, you can crouch or prone here, and you can kill enemies that are coming, and you can also secure the base, and you can tell your friends to secure the base, and you can stop enemies from coming here. So guys, this is the fourth trick of today. In this trick, you have to come to here. This is the spot. From here you can throw grenades inside this place. So if the enemies are camping there, you can kill them by grenades. So you can see in this clip, I have killed the enemy by grenade, and you can do this trick. And yes guys, you can also shoot in this spot, so it is a very good spot. So guys, this is the fifth and last trick of today. This trick is also in the same spot. So here you have to climb on these boxes, and here on the roof you can just prone and kill enemies from here, and you can capture the base easily. You can tell your friends to capture the base, and you can kill the enemies and stop them from coming here. So yes guys, that is it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and peace out.